Foundation stick with full coverage. When you pick the same foundation stick with me, cover.
Sorry, I've been gone for a apologize. Apologize for being gone so long. I'm Chicago Bulls. I don't know where the sound is. As y'all can tell, I just be pressing play most of the time. I don't even be paying attention to things. I don't see how you move faster than what you can. Than what, I don't know. I don't see how how people get be making shots more like how you can. Whatever.
What popcorn y'all got?
We got popcorn.
Tap right here on the set thing. Tap add to set. 2 out of 5. Apply this back. Next we gonna do. Let's do this NBA royalty. Record 3 assists. That was 1.
How old were you when he gave me plus 3? Are you on some red bands?
Okay.
He might make that. My dude jumped way too late.
Plug up that charger down there. Y'all can see it. I'm about to play with you.
I didn't even shoot that. I was pushing the pass button this whole time. Hope that's assist, right? Oh dang, it's not an assist.
I'm about to play with you.
That's 2 assists, I think. Yeah, alright.
What is that? You fucking like that's my girl right there. Connect. I'll show you that. How was that?
Yo, we're not supposed to let this man score.
What did you just say? Huh?
Y'all trust me, we about to get the 3rd assist thing.
She said, I'm a girl, woman. You a grown up? Yeah. You're not no girl. No. You're not no girl.
That should be that was the 3rd assist right there, dude.
Look what you just did. What? She's unplugged the TV.
Yeah.
Be careful. Every little thing will make that TV off.
Why did you do that in there?
He got smacked by 2 of them. The ball did, not him, but yeah.
That's her fault. She hit me first. It's not her fault. It's your fault.
I should never been laughing about that because he just smacked my ball neck after that.
You have to blue right now. I got that. Get that. Get her. Get her. Oh, so you can't get her.
That's his 3rd assist, right? And I don't think he counted the assist because it was a freaking blocking foul, bro. That's messed up and irritating. I didn't even pass it to him.
I'll watch that. I don't care. I'm gonna lie
Y'all, if y'all wondering why this not an NBA 2K18 video, it's because I'm not at home. I'm at my cousin's house, so and I ain't got my PlayStation 3 over here. So yeah.
What is this? What is this at?
Come on, I need to hurry up and get an assist. Or third assist before the time runs out. It's the longest that the thing has ever took me. I didn't know I should have made it in there. That should be a third. Yes, we finally did it. Dang. That took way too long. Oh, he might make that too. Ooh. But I still want to challenge it. Oh, I don't care. I don't think it said win it. Oh, dang, it did say win it. Come on, bro. I'm not about to do this again. That just made me mad. I'm not about to do that again. Because if I would have knew that I said win and do that, then I would have tried harder than that, what I was trying. That's irritating, this crap. That just made me super duper mad. Yeah, if y'all new, make sure y'all subscribe, share this with our friends, family, associates, everything like that. If y'all want to play with me on like NBA 2K18 on PS3, it'll be down in the description below. So yeah. What was the challenge for this one? Because I forgot. This game is hecka lagging right now. What are you doing? You're supposed to keep on going, dude. No. Come on, bro. That just hecka made me mad. Oh my gosh. See, he did not even jump. He jumped too late. But it's alright because we still got the ball back and they missed.
Why did you do that?
I'm so lucky that my teammate dude got it back. They ain't do with him. Wait, so like, am I supposed to just wait or something till they done? I mean, till the whole game is done, like we win or something, or somebody win or whatever. I saw that coming. Oh, he made it, though. I'm talking about the other part when I tried hitting the 3 or whatever. He might make that one. Told you. Come on, dude. Don't let the go out. No. Come on, bro. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna name this one. I know it's gonna be NBA Live Mobile or something. Y'all comment down below if y'all want more like Live Mobile videos. He might make that. Told you. Now I'm only in the league by 3 because my teammates don't. Come on, dude, what are you doing? Oh, it still went out of bounds. Alright, that's a good thing. You got 23 seconds left in this game. Come on now, dude. Really? I already know what's gonna happen. Y'all saw that spin move? It ain't passing to the people I want to pass it to, but oh well. Wop. I wish they had Michael Jordan on this game. No matter how much he would cost, I would have saved up all my money just to get him. I'm trying to back up all my dudes to give them an opportunity to shoot. I'm still in the league by a big number if I win. Once I get to I'm trying to reach to 100. That's why I just left them open. All right, we got 200. We still in the league by 5 points. They better just shoot it. Hey, I'm gonna be so happy for them if they make that. Oh dang, he almost made it. They would have had 98 if they would.